Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a duplicate and opening the duplicate in a RAW-capable editor. This preserves the original. Once done, pick 16-bit or a non-destructive format so you retain latitude for edits. Next, set the color profile. Use sRGB for web or Adobe RGB for print, because color space influences final appearance. Then inspect histogram and EXIF to understand exposure and lens data. That helps you choose denoise, crop, or lens correction steps that follow. Now you tackle exposure and color because this shapes everything else. Start by adjusting exposure, highlights, and shadows guided by the histogram so you avoid clipped blacks or whites. Then fix white balance with an eyedropper on a neutral area or tweak temp/tint manually to restore true colors. Once balanced, apply selective adjustments. Use masks, brushes, or HSL sliders to refine skin tones, skies, or foliage. These targeted edits maintain global integrity, while to finish, sharpen specifically for the output size and use masking to avoid amplifying noise in skin or sky. Then export with the correct format, resolution, and color profile so print or web results match intent. If you see banding, odd color shifts, or excessive noise, revert to your duplicate, simplify edits, and apply incremental changes to isolate the problem. Also, make sure your monitor is calibrated. If it isn't, what looks right on screen won't print or display correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.